guys, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an update on Eullair's hair. It has been a little minute and I have to come back and give you guys an update like I said I would. So I will have all the specs of what this hair is probably on the screen, letting you know what type of hair this is, but this is an update. And right now I just actually washed her and she smells so good. I washed her with Tresemmane, so I'm gonna go ahead on and try her on. I'm gonna style her to give an update, and then I'll give you my opinion, my specs on what I feel as though the pros and cons was when I wore this wig. This is how she looked, just put it straight on after washing her, and she is really nice and soft. So I need to actually put her down. If you can see, she's not down. So I'm going to be using some Got To Be Ultra Glued, and I'm going to be using the Freeze Spray also and the Got To Be Glued.
Lego. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body baby. VQs. Let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to.
So she is actually dry now. So what I'm going to do, what I didn't do the first time, was go ahead on and define this parting a little bit more. Pluck it out so I can be able to have more of a parting space. And I'm going to probably put some concealer in her and put some baby hair down. Go ahead and wet her up with some water. I don't use conditioner. I wish that I should use conditioner, but I had already conditioned her and I don't really want it to be slimy like it takes a long time to dry when I use the conditioner, so I don't want to use the conditioner this time. Now the parting space is from right here to here only, so it's not a lot of parting space, but it is enough to get you started, you know, and what you need, a good look for you. So that's the only con that I have really, is that it doesn't have a lot of parting space as far as towards the back, but you do have a lot. It's a frontal, so you do have a lot of space in the front. So the only thing I don't like is that it just don't have the parting space towards the front to the back. So let me define this a little bit more. Just open it up a little bit more. I was in the midst of recording a video, a makeup video, so I'm trying to do two things at one time. Now I'm gonna tell you the shedding in here is minimal. It's like really to nothing. So that's what I do like. I was gonna go ahead on and use a straightening comb, but I'm not gonna use a straightening comb, and I plucked out a lot. So that defines the parting space for me. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and wet her up before I even attempt to. I don't want to wet her up a lot, just a little bit, just to manage the frizz that I just managed to have on here, because I shampooed her and she is like really together, y'all. This hair is beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little bit of the Lotta Body coconut and shea oils and just put a little bit. I'm not gonna put a whole lot because I don't need a lot on her, just at the top area. Well, on the ends too a little bit. Now her ends is really pretty, if you can see. Her ends is still good and intact. I love Eullair hair. This hair is like really beautiful, so I do like her. Do I want baby hairs? You know what? Sometimes I get tired of baby hairs, but I'll see. Do I want her? Maybe. Would that be pretty with baby hairs? Yes, I think it'd be pretty. So let's go ahead on and speed up the video as I do just a couple baby hairs. And I'm going to be using the Eco Styling Gel, and this is in for all hair types, and it's with argan oil, so I'm going to be using that. So let's speed up the video. Okay, so as you can see, it was not much that I really had to do, but I really do think that I should put something in the party. So I'm going to use my Morphe 8H palette, and let's see what shade I'm going to take from here. I'm going to take actually the one that's at the top in Donut. I'm going to take that and I'm going to go through my party with that one. Let me find a brush that's not dirty. Okay. Okay, great. So a little bit more mousse right here, just to define the curls. I don't want it to be wet, whereas though I have to wait for it to dry before I'm able to show you guys what it's looking like. So this hair is like beautiful. It always have been beautiful. I don't have anything bad to say about Eullair's hair, because Eullair's hair is one of the top most beautifulest hair that you can get from off of AliExpress. And it's so super soft, nice and manageable. Let me fix myself so I can be able to stand up for you guys. And if you can see the hair, it is just simply gorgeous. It's super soft. You can tell that it's super soft. It's manageable. I get so many compliments when I wear this hair, and I think that she is just to die for. She is gorgeous. So this is my update on Eullair's hair. I don't have much to say about her because I don't have too many cons. Actually, the only con I have is that because of the parting space, I would like a little bit more parting space, maybe from here to at least back here. But back here is track, so that's not something that I wanted. So actually, I didn't show you guys the back of it also. So let's try to show you the back of this hair. If you can see, this hair is, oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. So yes, I don't have any cons, guys. I don't. This hair is beautiful. Okay, so this is my update, and yeah, my update on Eullair's hair, and she is just gorgeous. Just simply gorgeous. I don't have anything bad to say about her. I have so many pros and not many cons. So after you watch this video, I don't know which one is gonna be up first, either this video or my makeup video on my Jackie Aina. So yeah, I'm gonna throw it in there, y'all. I did another tutorial on the Jackie Aina palette, so after you watch this video, go and check that video out. I will actually place it at the end screen or something for you. That way you can be able to just click on it at the end of the video. Okay, so shout out to Eullair hair. Everything you need will be down in the description bar. That way you can get your hands on this beautiful unit. It's a wig, of course, we know it's a wig. All the specs, like I said, will be up here, and I probably will have her name up the top, and also I will have the name of the hair, the length of the wig that I got, which I think is the 24 inches, which is really long. This is really long for 24 inches. This, oh my goodness. Yes, sorry guys, this hair is like really long. So I will have everything you need on the screen and in the description bar. If you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section. Now, you know, like J Baby always says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Nah.